Welcome to part 2 of our Timing Your Retirement video series. Let's look at some steps to help you decide. In addition, there are several steps to determine if you can afford to retire. Estimate your total annual spending, including periodic expenses like dental work and home repairs. Add up all of your potential sources of income in retirement. Be sure to look at how much more income you may receive by claiming Social Security at a later age or waiting to collect your pension until a later age. Be realistic about how much you can withdraw from personal savings and investments. Withdraw too much, too fast, and you risk running out of money too soon. Be cautious about using academic rules of thumb. They don't always work so well in the real world. Don't be shy about seeking professional help. Retirement is a big decision, and many of the decisions you'll make are permanent. A qualified retirement planning expert can help you come up with a projection based on realistic assumptions. If you go through your financial projections and determine you can afford retirement, it's probably too soon. Instead, explore ways to save more money or find work you enjoy so it doesn't feel like work. Revamping your career may allow you to work longer and accumulate the funds you'll need. If your finances are lined up to support a comfortable retirement, your next item should be to define what retirement means to you. What does retirement mean to you? For some, retirement means simply leaving their current job. These people are fine working, but they want to change, and making a change may come with a pay cut. For others, retirement means a complete exit from the workforce. If you're married or have others who are financially dependent on you, they should be part of the decision. If you're single, the answer is likely much simpler. Some career-oriented people are not suited for retirement. They are used to being the go-to person and find they get bored in retirement. If this sounds like you, the answer as to when you should retire might be never. Before you retire, give some serious thought to what activities inspire and motivate you. Start a list of hobbies that you want to pursue or organizations to which you want to contribute your time. From a mental and physical health perspective, stay active. Your body isn't made to remain still all the time. Part of your retirement planning should include strategies for staying active and mentally challenged. As an alternative to traditional retirement, look for ways you can try out retirement. Perhaps your current situation offers part-time work or a sabbatical. Maybe you can take a long leave of absence. Retirement is a major life change, just like moving, marriage, or a job change. So plan on going through an adjustment period. The more time you spend thinking about and planning for retirement, the more likely you'll retire at the right time. This concludes part 2 of this video series on timing your retirement. Thank you for joining us for this short video series. For more information, or to better understand what your retirement plan could look like, take the questionnaire linked in the video description.